How to use Steam Family Sharing. Want to share your impressive Steam library with family members without them needing separate accounts? Steam Family Sharing allows you to grant access to your game library to authorized computers. Here is how to set it up. First of all, enable Steam Guard, so ensure Steam Guard security is activated on your account by going to Steam, then Settings, and then Account. Then, authorizing a computer, so launch Steam. Both you and the family member need to log into the Steam client on their respective computers. Head to the settings on the library owner's computer, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Within Settings, navigate to the Family tab. Click on the Authorized Library Sharing on this device switch. So, this is the switch. A list of accounts that have logged in to this computer will appear, so check the box next to the account you want to authorize family sharing with. For example, this one. Log out and back in. While not always necessary, sometimes logging out and logging back in on the authorized user's computer can refresh your game library. Now, you learned how to use family sharing to share your games library with your family members on Steam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.